We breathe in air, we extract oxygen. So let's unpack it for everybody. Let's kind of show people what VO₂max is.
It's the maximal amount of oxygen that can be taken up and utilized by the body. Now, that was beautifully summarized in this figure from a 1967 paper from
1967. They were doing good science back then.
Absolutely, but it really conveys this idea of gears churning. So you can imagine, your lungs, your heart, your blood vessels, your muscles, they all have to work together in order to bring oxygen into the body from the air and deliver it down to the working muscles to ride a bike or produce movement. And then what it's reflecting is essentially the ability of the body to deliver oxygen. That's largely a function of the pumping capacity of the heart and the ability of the blood vessels to carry oxygen. That's things like hemoglobin molecules, how much of that have, how much they're saturated. So that's sort of the delivery side.
Right.
And then the extraction is, you can imagine, mainly working muscles, but across all tissues of the body, what's the ability to take that oxygen out of the arterial blood, literally use it in the mitochondria to burn sugars and fats and produce energy. So we're really looking at that difference there, this idea of delivery minus extraction at a maximal level. That's VO₂max.